Customers rang us out with a problem with this glass washer. It seems to be overfilling itself and not draining. So they've asked us to come and have a little look at it. So first of all, take all this off just to make these jets are clean. It's not too bad inside, I've seen worse. See, it's holding a little bit of water there in the drain. Just check there's nothing in that. Sometimes you get shot glasses and bottle tops stuck down inside there. Seems to be alright. Just check the pallet. As you can see, it's on there. Killed it. It's dead, no pallet. Obviously you're always better off when you're taking front covers off. Kill the power first, just in case there's any loose wires or any water or anything come off. Basic Glasswasher DC machine, or the old style. Okay, just check underneath for now. Make sure it's all dry, there's no leaks. Doesn't look in bad condition, to be honest. Considering its age, I don't think it's getting used every day. It's a bit of a function suite in a social club, so I think it's only on now and again. That's all. Wash pump spinning fine. Looks all clean and tidy, to be fair, for its age. Let's have a little look why it's not draining. So you can see on this machine, it's on drain pump. It's not gravity fed, the drain here, the drain line is higher than the back of the machine. You can see it's fed out of there. Grey drain hose there, coming round. Comes through, sits underneath the sink. It just goes onto a spigot. If you can see, okay. Just have to pull this machine out to get to the back of it. Drain pump's on the back. Back panel off. As you can see the drain pump there, it's sitting. There's obviously access underneath this machine. The door closing problem as well. So the door won't stay shut, as you can see here. It's springing itself open. Have a little look at that there. Looks like it's unscrewed itself over time. Just needs resetting. Tight now. We'll adjust that in a minute. Probably had a lot of baskets on it and people pushing down on it, and the weight bends the hinges. Have a little look at that. Bottom panel. get to that without getting the back off. Tip it forward as well. We'll just turn off the water supply if we can. It's all been boxed in. Just shut off there. Safer, better option to turn the cold feed supply off when you're moving these machines, just in case it pulls off. All repaired it. So that's our drain pump there. The back, grey hose connected to it. So it's either burnt out or there's a piece of glass in it or something foreign blocking the pump head, stopping the impeller from spinning. See that? Seems to be spinning freely. Swap this anyway because the motor looks old. It burns out over time. Replace the motor on it. It's good practice. It's handy to have the knee pad. Make sure you use it if you've got one. See there, it's had something in it, can't you? Something's been stuck in that and it's freed itself off. You can see the abrasion. Had all sorts of needs to block up over the years. Bits of glass mainly. Normally bottle tops or bits of glass is the culprit. There we go. Get it right. Let me check the drain line as well, make sure it's clear. Seems to be clear. New pump is back on. That's a new drain pump on. Right. I think we'll put some water into it and test it that it drains before we put our clothes back on. See that old drain line, that old detergent line, look at that. Let's get some water in it. Water back on. Power on. Check there's no leaks underneath. Yeah. Should be alright. You can see the water draining out now. The new drain pump's on. The door seems to be holding okay. These machines, DC machines, when you turn them on, they go straight to fill, these old style. When you turn it off on the front, open the door, sends power to the drain pump. As you can see, it's draining out now. Turn it off. Put the covers back on. Try and tighten that in a minute. No problem. Base. It's obviously been, looks like someone's pressed down on it and pushed the hinges too far. Should be able to adjust these. Just pass it. It's a lot better. Holding itself closed now. So it's just took a little bit of adjusting on both sides on the hinges. That'll do for looking at that. I think it does. Not great at all, but I think it'll hold it for now. See, in the near future they're going to be replacing this machine, I think. I know it's not used a lot, but looking at it cosmetically now with that door issue, it's probably the cost of a door would write the machine off, to be honest. Depending on the cost, to be fair.